Hi everyone. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a smaller file for your PDF or even your Illustrator file. All right. So you have a project coming up, your final project's coming up, and a lot of you have very big Illustrator files that are hard to email or upload because they're so huge. So I'm going to show you how to take your file and shrink it down. All right, it's pretty easy to do. So the first thing is here's a file I have, and if I go here, okay, this is the file. It's called Portfolio, and it's an Illustrator file, right? And if we look here, it's 135 megabytes, pretty much. Okay, so that's a pretty big file. I've already saved it as a PDF, and the PDF is 134 megabytes. Okay, so these are big files, all right, to upload or to have to email if you can't even email a file that big, all right. Um, so for the case of when you finish your final product and need to email it to me or upload it to Canvas, this will make life a lot easier for you. So what you're going to do, the first thing you're going to do is make a copy of this, because what we're going to do to your file here or your page here is we're going to rasterize it. And when we rasterize it, it makes it so it's all one picture and there's no undoing it. Okay, so right now you see if I click or just run my mouse along all these different objects, they get highlighted in blue. All right, that will be, you will not be able to do that. It'll basically be all one project. So if you ever wanted to go back into this file and edit something or change a swatch or something, you won't be able to do that. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is make a copy. So go to File and just say Save a Copy. And what I'm going to do is just call this, I'll just leave it Portfolio Copy. Okay, and it's in the folder I want it to be in, so hit Save and hit OK. All right, so always save your original file. Do not do anything to it. All right, so right now you can see it's a big file. It's showing me, okay, it's been saved. All right, so this is my original. I'm going to X that off because I don't want to change anything. And I'm going to go ahead and open up. Here it is. So this is my original portfolio. Now here's my copy, portfolio copy. So I'm going to open this up. And there we go. Okay. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select everything. All right. And then I'm going to go up to Object. And I'm going to go down to Rasterize. Okay. Now you'll see here, okay, it says color model, and then you'll see resolution. Usually high 300 ppi is what's selected. Okay. What you want to do is click on that, get this drop down menu, and go to 72 pp. All right. Now, if I was going to take this to a printer or something to have them printed off, I would not be saving it at 72 ppi. It's going to be a lower resolution. It's not going to be as nice. All right. But for this project, it will be fine. Okay. Next, I'm going to come here and you'll see background. A lot of time white will be selected. Make sure it's transparent. Okay. So two things you want to do here is you want your resolution to be at 72 pp and you want your background to be transparent. Okay. Once you've done that, hit OK. And now it's rasterized it. Okay. So now this is all just one object. Okay. When I move it, and now when I go over it, there's nothing, it doesn't select all the different objects, okay? It's just one thing. So now I'm going to go ahead and save this. All right, and it's already done saving. It went that quick. You can see the little pinwheel pop up. Now if I go to my file again, so remember, here's my original, and look, it's even taking a minute to pop up. Okay, so it was 134.5 megabytes. Here's the copy, which I rasterized. 4.3 megabytes. Okay. Now we want to make it into a PDF. So here's the original. I already made a PDF into the original one without rasterizing it. And it's 133 megabytes. Okay. So what I'll do here now is just go to File, Save As, And then obviously select PDF here, and it's perfect. Hit save and save. Okay, so now if we go, all right, here's the PDF. So remember the original, when it was converted into a PDF, 133 megabytes. Now here's the copy, 3.6 megabytes. All right, so that's no problem at all. Okay, yes, the resolution isn't it's good, but it's fine. For this project, it'll be fine. All right, so this will make it easier for you to upload things and do whatever you have to do. Okay. All right, so that's an easy way to take your final project and lower the amount of memory it takes or space it takes up, and make it easier to email or upload to Canvas or whatever you're using. One other thing I want to go over real quick, and that is now you have multiple files that you're bringing into this. Okay. So I won't go into this too deeply, but first of all, it's easy to do because you have 3 projects that you're going to put into one file. All right. So the first thing you want to do is create some artboards. So you can just hit Shift O or click on this right here, which is your artboard tool. All right. And now if you hold down your Alt key and then click on your artboard and then let go of the mouse and let go of Alt, it makes a copy automatically. All right. Now, I don't want a copy of this. I just want the artboard. So I can just delete that off, okay? So again, if I click on artboard and say you need 5 artboards, I'll hold down Alt and I'll go 1, so that's 3, 4, and 5, and let go of Alt. And now I have 3. Now I can just open up my other files, whatever it is, and then paste them in here. So if I go here and let's say I want another, let's see, what do we got in here? That's a big file. Let's just click this. Okay, here it is. Okay, so say I need these images in there, so I'll just hit Command C, which will copy it. I'm on a Mac, so and then come here and hit Command V. There we go, and I brought my other files in. Okay, and then I would just put them wherever I wanted them. You know, lay them out. And yes, I know this is a horrible layout. Okay. I'm not trying to, I'm just doing this quick so you know how it works. Okay, so I'll just center these real quick. There. I guess I didn't need 5, I only need 4, so I'll delete this one. Okay. So there we are. All right. Then what I can do is you can rasterize these if they're too big. Okay. You can rasterize each of these. But if not, just go to File. So I've made my other artboards. I brought my files in. And then once you have the layout, just go to File. And you hit Save, obviously. Save it. We'll see. Yep, small enough. And then go to Save As. Because you always want to have your Illustrator file. And then hit PDF. Save. Oh, I already saved it as a PDF. Sorry. So save it again as a PDF. Bring it up. And let's go back to Final Project. That's where it is. And it should be this one, yes. Yes, so here it is. And now I have all these files in one, all these images in one file, in one PDF. Okay? So if you have any questions about that, please let me know. But that should help you with whatever you needed, and it should make it easy for you to be able to create the files you need and also get them to me on time. All right. So just remember that you do not want to do this. You do not want to rasterize your original file. Save a copy and then rasterize that one. Okay. All right. Good luck to you all, and I'll talk to you later.